वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
I stay here because I want to see the beauty of this mountain of Pakistan and our country. I mean, when all these rainstorms, all the ways, so you can see the result of these all things. As I say, that I want to warn all these people to don't cut the trees and hunt all these animals because it's beauty of these mountains and it can very damage all this. I mean, if you cut the trees, the beauty of this mountain can be damaged and our air pollution should be very damaged. It can cause a lung cancer, eyes, skin disease. It can cause many diseases. So I really want all these people to don't cut these trees because it's the beauty of Pakistan and the beauty of Pakistan should be always here. We should take care of it and take care is our responsibility. So by owning our responsibility, it is our duty to don't cut the trees and hunt all these animals of these mountains. I really want all these people to don't cut it because it's their beauty, and I will say it that beauty is it's there. Don't want to damage it because beauty of mountains is also beauty of our country. Thank you.